Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another mind-blowing recipe. They say food is a love language, and if that is true, then spinach soup is a warm hug from the inside out. Believe you me, it's one of those dishes that doesn't demand much, just a few simple ingredients, a little patience, and an open heart. Every time I make this, I think of my grandmother. She had this way of turning ordinary ingredients into something extraordinary, not with expensive spices or fancy techniques, but with love, intuition, and wisdom that only comes from cooking the same dish 100 times over. She never used measuring cups, no recipe book, just a pinch of this, a handful of that, and somehow it was always perfect. I'll stand on a stool beside her, watching her hands move with the confidence of someone who knew food wasn't just about eating, it was about connection. She would say to me times without number that when you cook, you're telling a story. The ingredients, they are your words. And if you don't treat them right, they won't sing for you. Now, my beautiful people, let's go straight ahead and make the yummy spinach soup, the simplest method ever. Now at this point guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button and do not forget to hit on the alarm bell so that whenever I post a video or I go live, YouTube is gonna send you a notification. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. God bless you all. Much love from Chef Jamie. Bye guys.